ka artista, ano kaya sa mo ginagawa mo at this age in your life?
I'd be graduating na. Well, actually, I'm about to graduate na talaga. Pero I'd be in a regular school. I'd be a normal teen, shy pa. Yan, very shy ako.
And your first showbiz crush, yung wala ka ba sa showbiz na? Yung artista siya na crush mo? When you were younger?
Kasi ang pinapanood ko na High School Musical eh. Zac Efron.
Zac Efron, okay. Dream role, anong gusto mong gawin?
Well, I finally tried yung lagi kong sinasabi na gusto ko matry yung cool role. Finally, na-try ko na siya sa MMK.
Ito yung medyo may team tayo. Mahirap ba? Sa dulat role?
Nag-enjoy naman ako. Mahirap lang yung pinaitim ka, pero masaya naman. Siguro I wanna try yung mga different roles, like kunwari magkakasakit ka.
Talaga? You mean challenging?
Yeah, I like challenging myself.
Okay. And a concert venue that you want to perform in?
Thank God naman nag-perform na ako sa MOA and Ornata. Solved na ako.
Okay then. What's one ulam na hindi mo kakainin?
Wala naman ako hindi kinakain, pero hindi lang ako mahilig sa nilaga.
Any pork or beef, hindi ka mahilig?
Hindi ako mahilig sa pork, pero kinakain ko naman.
Okay. Kailan ka huling sumakay ng tricycle?
Once pa lang ako sumakay ng tricycle sa life ko.
Kailan to?
Sa loob ng village ng tita ko when I was a kid. Sabi ko, wee! First time eh.
Okay. What makes you happy?
Many things naman. Food.
Food? Food does.
Really, when I feel a bit down, talagang sa food ako umaan.
If you have 1 billion pesos now, saan mo ito gagastin?
Probably half is a save ko. Tapos half I would like to help others. Ibigay ko half-half.
What is your most favorite Disney movie?
My most favorite Disney movie is Enchanted.
And the most favorite movie of all time?
Marami akong favorite films, but Notting Hill. I love Notting Hill.
Most memorable experience in high school?
Most memorable experience in high school. Homeschool na ako nag-high school eh. Homeschool na. Be careful.
Most memorable Christmas spent?
Every year naman. Kasi same lang yung ginagawa ko every year. Traditional lang.
Last year, ano gusto mo matanggap sa this Christmas? Aside from maging
Box office. Wala naman ako in particular na hinihingi. Wala talaga eh.
Kung saan bibigay sa inyo Santa? Kasi kahit may cash ka, hindi mo bibili yun.
What do you mean?
Yung Santa, kahit you can afford it, but you won't spend on it. So, ibibigay sa inyo Santa. Kung if you're, sana kung pwede ka mag-wishful thinking.
Gusto ko ng puppy. Kaya lang, ang dami na naming hayop sa bahay. Konti na lang maging zoo na yung bahay namin.
Ba't gusto mo pa rin ng puppy? Okay. Ayun, what is love?
Love is a beautiful and difficult chance that has to be supported by a choice.
Wow!
Ayun.
Okay.